Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to solve the problem of temporary hold unsuccessful. We weren't able to place a temporary hold on your payment method and your ad account is still disabled. You can try again or add a new payment method. And so this problem occurs when Facebook tries to place a temporary hold on your account and it's not successful. Now, what exactly is temporary hold? Temporary hold is a situation where Facebook want to check whether there is enough money in your debit card, so that when it reaches to your next threshold of payment, you will have money. For those of you who may not know, most Facebook advertising accounts don't charge you before you start running your advert. They charge you after the advert has run. So that is what we call postpaid advertising account. So for the postpaid advertising account, the advert will run, and when it reaches to your next threshold, so for example, let's say that you are starting and your threshold will be, say, $10. I'm just giving an example, but for most new advertising account, the threshold is $2. But let's assume that your threshold is $10. What they are trying to do is that they want to check whether when you spend up to the $10, you can have the money up to $10 to pay. So in that case, they will try to place a temporary hold. When they place the temporary hold and there's no money in your advertising account, then it will not, the temporary hold will not be successful, which means that there's no enough money in your account for them to hold. So in that case, it will fail. So this is what I advise you if you want to solve it. Number one, make sure that you top up money in the advertising account before you try to place the hold again. If you don't top up money in your ad account and you try to place hold again, then it will still not be successful. That is one measure to get it resolved. Yes. The second one, sometimes you may have enough money, more than what they are trying to hold, but it will still not be successful. In that case, if that happens to you, for example, then it means that your bank may be withholding Facebook from checking if there is enough money in your ad account. So in that case, I advise you to click on, you see, add payment method, and then you can add a new payment method again, and make sure that the new payment method you are adding also has enough funds. And I will show you how to check to know if how much they are even going to deduct, because sometimes if you don't know how much they are going to charge, you may just put money that may not be up to what they are supposed to charge. So when they try the hold, it will still fail. So when you come to the ad manager, go to your billing and payment. So from your billing and payment, click on let me select the ad account I want to use. I want to use this one. Now you'll be under payment activity. You check how much they are trying to bill you, or they are trying to hold. It's $2. Here is $2. So whichever amount it is, just make sure that you are under payment activity and under payment settings, and you come down, you see the amount they are trying to hold, and when you see the figure, you make sure that you have up to that, and then you click on the try hold again, and it is going to be resolved.